GM sir.
Mom, he kept here only.
అటు వెళ్ళిపోమని చెప్పాను కదా క్లాస్.
Yeah, hello everybody. Good morning students. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Everybody. Okay. Those who are not able to hear, just in the chat, plus inform me. Inform me. Those who are not able to hear my voice, just chat with me. Okay. Welcome to the internship. Okay. Good morning students. Welcome to the internship. So this internship will be 1 month course. along with Python you have chosen Python course, isn't it? So this Python course contains 1 month course, and I'll be showing all the things, what topics we are going to discuss in this, and I will be providing you 2 different projects. Okay, I'll be providing you 2 different projects at the end of the course. You can do that projects. Okay, with the source code and everything explanation, I will be giving that projects. Okay, you can just download that projects, you can see the projects and you can modify that. You will come to know how projects will be done in Python using Django framework. Okay, we will be using Django framework in the Python, and we can see all the things. Hello, can everybody able to hear me? Okay, so no need of your voice, I mean I disabled your voice. Okay, you can just type in the chat. If you are having any doubts, anything you want to ask me, you can just type in the chat. I will give you a reply immediately. I will give you a reply. Okay, so if I use voice for everybody, in the net speed it won't support our net speed, so it will be slow. Video also we cannot able to see, you cannot able to see the video. Okay, so I disabled everything. Okay, just you need to type whatever you want, whatever doubts you are having, you can just type in the chat. I will be giving reply in that. Okay, so your course duration will be, so your course duration will be 1 month to 1.5 month. Okay, that is particularly your course will be 1 month. Okay, can you able to see the, please send all your emails to my group, to your to in this group. Okay, So I will be recording every class. After finishing this class, I will be sending this recorded. Okay, I will be sending. Okay, my name is Sriranjan Kumar Devarpalli. Since 3 years, I am working from the NSIC as a part of the Python faculty. I am a senior faculty, and I worked in Wipro as well as Accenture as a developer in Python and also in the .NET. Okay, my educational background: I am a post graduation in masters in University of New England at Sydney, Australia. I got my honors in information technology. Okay. So this is my background and little bit introduction about me. Okay, so I hope you are very much interested to learn the Python, isn't it? So Python is a very booming course right now. I think everybody aware of that, isn't it? So if you know the Python, you will be having very bright future. Okay, how can you say that you will be having a bright future? So that you will go in different lines, different part of the things. You can go through the web development. As a web developer, you can work, and as a data scientist also you can work as a data scientist. Okay, so Python along with if you learn Python, you will be comfortable to work on as a data scientist. Okay, data science is all related to the graphical visualization. Okay, prediction, all those things you can do with the Python. Python is a very flexible language, very easy language, isn't it? Very easy language. It's a very dead easy language. Even a child, fourth class child can program in Python. That much easy. That much easy. Okay. So that is a very good advantage for us. Okay. So now you are learning in UK and US. UK and US, they will be starting in schooling. They will be start in schooling itself. Schooling itself. They start from fourth standard. So they are very much familiar when they right. So that is the advantage. Okay. Right. So don't worry, but if you know Python, perfectly, you can be a good developer, and you can become a data scientist. If you learn advanced courses like data science and machine learning. Okay. So machine learning is a very good right now. The boom is very good, machine learning. So I hope right. Okay. So what are the topics we are going to, I will be discussing right now. What are the topics we are going to cover? We are going to cover in this course. In this course, okay, I will show you with the diagrams. Okay, 1 minute. So these are the things we will be going to cover in the Python. You can see here, I will be sending all these things. Which are already So this is the course content. This is the course content. I'm going to open that. Okay, so these are the day wise, 45 days day wise. Okay, first one is introduction about the Python installation and running sample program, data types, numbers, data types, strings. These are all the data types, and each and every day we'll be discussing one data type, and if else, while loop. These are all the things we are going to cover. Okay, so this course contains 45 days, including lab session, but we will be excluding that lab. You need to do it at yourself, isn't it? So you need to do lab at your own thing. Okay, I think everybody got your laptops, isn't it? PCs or laptops. Okay, you need to work on that. Every day we will be taking class, so that is the reason this course will be covered in 1 month. This is the reason this course will be covered in 1 month. If you are having any doubts, anything, you can just immediately contact me. Okay, so you need to work on lab at your home. Okay, if you are having any problem, you can contact me in you can contact me in group or individual. Okay, while practicing your exercises. Okay, I hope you understood. And this is the syllabus, Python syllabus. I'll be showing you the Python syllabus, and I'll be sharing all these things to you. Through my Google Drive. Okay, this is the Python syllabus, entire Python syllabus. and this is the whole document, entire document. I'll be providing you like this the documentation. Okay, this is just like a notes. This is just like a notes. Okay, for future reference I will be giving you all these things. Okay, it will be like this. Python, complete Python notes I will be giving you. Okay, it contains 64 pages, and each topic wise you will be having all these things, and each topic wise you will be having all these things. Okay, you will be getting all these notes. I will be covering all these notes. I will be providing you all these notes, and at last you will be having projects, 2 projects with coding. At last having projects with coding. See here, this is the project. Two different projects. You will be having 2 different projects at the end of the course. You will be having 2 different projects. You can do it yourself. With coding also you will be having. Coding also I have provided you. This is all coding. Okay. So this will be the thing, and it will be in the Word document also. You got everything. It will be in the Word document. So we will be starting our classes from Monday. Okay, we will be starting classes from Monday. Okay, we will finish within 1 month duration. Exactly 1 month. Exactly 1 month. Exactly 1 month we will be finishing the course. Okay, so you need to send me the details, email IDs in the group, so that I will be sharing lots of things with you. Okay, and I'm having my blogger. This is my own blogger. Okay, this is my own blogger. Okay. And YouTube channel also. I'll be sharing my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. In this blogger you can find all the content, all the subject you can find it out. Python index. Okay. In this blogger also you can find all the chapters offline. You can make it as an offline. In this you can find all the chapters. Book. This is complete book in this. Okay. In this blogger you can see all the things. That will be reference. This is for you reference, and I am going to provide you The two things I'm having accounts. You can log in. So